ingikuhotana ni kio
ndoka ore ngai ajarire onire ni 10 point
kwanja ndingira hari athiri hari Damba ndahagaria ruhiu ru hia maita mere ndacoka ndamuria Kameme keha ajira njuke guku tondu na kiore ruhiu rwakwa rukuhanaga ndangijariirie ndamuria iyo tabarira iri kagonjikarite hau hagathemba
igata
iguire ndiroka riu mumenye atiriri birika icio ciothe
tugabura cigoke ndagika igiri
tondu ni no korirwo aukana mutaratara na mubango tondu you guys have to behave.
We are
birika icio ciothe na ikombe jikirirwo handu gakunia-ini guku gutigucoka kunyuo cai
especially rora gukuhiriria How are you?
I am good, but not very good.
What's going on, mommy?
In case I'm triggered.
You're a journalist.
I am a journalist. I know how to deal with babies in journalism. So I came, yes. And so I came.
Please come in peace.
No.
You know I'm a peaceful babe.
No, nani nyiteta fairo.
Ati ni wakinya already akabagara.
Ni advert ciothe ire igweko guko. Nani nguthurere gweko nereta gweko.
No kunyitoge ni bishop.
By the time nyume studio. Gutigirira ate muikarire mutaratara na no njukerege after 1 month. Kurora kana maundu ni marathie wega.
Na igwate twina bata gukira murima.
Reu ni ndoka
ni ndanyiha
nigetha ndigirire ni ndirendia kavagara na to ukendia ta gutigirira we specifically
me
yes
me kana team master kila mtu ananionea Mr. Kivo si mimi
ni ndo anyu na tugeciria ati ni guthekana theko githe I am not
you're not a cheap girl
no
na niguo gwikirite nguo cia sport I wanted to deal with this microphone.
No. You have
even if it means for the last minute.
No.
All right.
I will not allow it.
There you are.
I will not allow it.
I hear you. Hands up.
Na nwene toroaga. Na tikuga ate wani garo henye ndikonjiketie nguti cia ndonoko ni ithatu. Dikoragwo ate oguo. I am a baby girl from Nyeri. Yes.
Nyeri. He's a movement.
I am here on behalf of so many others.
Yes.
Na ndiraigua nyingiheirwo ni githongo muno.
Haya. Lecture. You want to lecture?
No. You know I'm a director.
Yes. Kezia College.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now I discipline these young people.
Yes.
Na ka make sure ni maikarire raini. You know. Kogwo I came because of that. Nikionjokire. Wena gathemba tanjitira gathemba. Can you call him? Momothe kora ndirauga guku.
Can you call? Madam is calling.
Call. Stacy call.
Gaguka kahoe.
Yes. No nginya guikare uria guku kwagire guikara. Ni murathi gumukora njira. Ready? No.
Oh my God.
I will not allow it.
How much I love you.
Jugire go kana diko mwira. Edigerira mbere yaku.
Oro tarakire kaginya njarie. Tari ngigeithania.
No, yaro thoro kwaria. Na muno kamenyerera ciugo ciaku.
Iria ndirahuthira.
No nginya uikarira kwagiriire.
Ti kwega.
Yes, ti kwega kuo.
Ti kwega? No Ngai ni mwega.
Ebo ndandika no peace. Kuma mothe ni ucuru.
No peace.
No,
occupy tea.
No. No tea. Chaisho na wigana. Odotana nyua eterere ucuru. Na turambia no ucuru wa bebe.
No ucuru wa bebe cia kavagara orakoro na 11k ire. Mena
11k toni marethaga mundu ngirugama gwa mariririe. Arugame na ugi atirire this tea is too much.
Let's have diapers. We drank your tea. Many years ago. Let's drink tea. Yeah.
Ucuru ni mwega ni unyitaga nda.
Oh, niguo.
Ni unyitaga nda. Yes. Kathebeha.
Ni okete munene.
Ni okay.
Ndigugwita mugathe. Ndigugwita munene.
Mugathe ni umwe. Uhuru wa Kenyatta. Mheshimiwa.
Akena uru. No kuri okiumire ni kwega.
Ni kwega fiu.
Ngai ni akomenyereire.
Iraire toro.
Niguo.
Ndaire kibanga. Egoka.
Oh.
Yes.
Hey, niä ndä rakä makire agä korwo nginya Bishop Ben iria kå menya gwakwa. I want to thank the Lord. 2, my fans. 3, my son. You know, he's a teenager.
Yes.
He can read things. 4, my father. He traveled all the way from Kimako.
Makioro geka. Makino sina nyoba. 5,
my boyfriend.
Nearly.
I'm settling. 6,
slowly by slowly.
6, Kezia. 7, Bishop Ben. 8, marugamirĩrwo othe nĩ Mary Mungai. Chair, Communications Authority.
Yes.
Nĩ akunithirite na gate no nginya no ahũrie Kameme damu.
Yeah, you know.
I'm born again.
You are born again.
I'm born again. I love the Lord. Oyo gathemba. Team Master!
Ndagecire nĩ kwega.